All right, hi everyone. Just a quick tip at the moment. I quickly need to show you just a quick fix. Now, some of you, when you send a message to ChatGPT, just like this, you will tell ChatGPT to do a blah blah blah, send you write a test. I noticed a lot of people are asking me questions around if I copy the ChatGPT result, all right, just like this one, and I put it on my Microsoft Word, or I'm trying to send it as an email, it comes with a gray background or it comes with a black background. So how can I fix that? So let's say, for example, you told that GPT to do something and it gave you a result like this. Okay, let me copy this. Then you take it to your Microsoft Word like this one. So it's going to come with a gray background. So how can I fix or remove this gray background? Even if it's going to, you send it as an email, it's going to come with a gray background. Maybe some of you are using the dark aspect of it. It also comes with a black background. So it's a very quick one. If you put it on Microsoft Word, highlight all and go to your top side of the Microsoft Word here and tap your normal. Put your style on normal. Ta-da! It's removed. So it's just a quick fix, and possibly some of you still face issues around it's removed, but you still find it's having some shadow. We just tell you can change your style and play around any of the style here, and when you are done, you can actually see this paragraph. You can go back to changing the font, you can go back to changing the size, you can put it on uppercase and do anything you want to do. And so it's a whole lot. If you're using your mobile phone, I'll tell you to put it on your notepad and take it out, put it on WhatsApp or any of the messages, and before you send it back to an email or put it on any place you want to send it to, the gray background or the dark background will be removed. That's just a quick way to fix it. I hope I've been able to help someone today. Thank you.